A new school, a new day.
Whoa, you seriously made this yourself?
It took 5 months, but it's worth it. Hey, have any of you seen my flannel cards? What for? I wanna play flannel with Nelly.
Wolf, just go ask the receptionist.
Hey, staff don't work past curfew.
I'm sure you can find it tomorrow.
Fine. It's a bit weird though.
Why is that weird, Lightning?
Well, Foldy lost her hair dryer, which she uses to dry herself because we don't have hair. And didn't you also lose Popo's birthday present?
The saddest day ever.
You done?
Yeah.
Something feels off.
Finally found it.